Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an eraser, so let's get started. First, draw a rectangular shape here, a little curved line down, to the right, and then outwards. And to the left. Follow me by drawing like this. To the right. And a line down. And connect it. Then we will draw the eraser, a round curve here, here like this. Then now we will draw the eyes, a big circle, inside with a little circle, draw the details slowly. And the mouth. Now we have a cute eraser. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.